yami. Seyilandile uvice.
Kodwa ngiyafuna ngakadube ukuyangisa. The term the Exodus.
Yes.
Negama eli likaMoses.
Amen.
The Exodus is a journey, or a mass journey out of somewhere. In the context of the Bible, it's the journey out of Egypt. Moses wakubhaqwa ntombi kaFaro. Umnika eligama lithi Moses elithi drawn out. Okanye pulled out. Ndifuna uyamisa ezithembu zethu ngoba brother Dube nento ethi ba it's not a coincidence that the person that was drawn out of Inal River that he was supposed to be thrown in and killed in is the same person that is being tasked with taking Amasiraeli out of Egypt. I do not believe that God made a coincidence. Look, he turned to someone when he's and this is the person that is extracting Amasiraeli out of Egypt. To me, that says that Utiko is an all-knowing God. Utiko is an omniscient God. That is the actual truth. He's a God of infinite knowledge and infinite wisdom. He's meant to die in the Nile River. That is the same person that is going to remove out of Egypt. So that none of them are going to be killed at the hand of the Father. He's the one who's doing that. And to me that says, when our brother Duguba, because we are all at this moment, he hadn't made a covenant with Moses. We are all at this moment, even for Moses, I don't even think that any man would that much because Moses could let any prince in Egypt. Moses. It meant Moses, the benefactor, or beneficiary of the covenant that he had made with Abraham and Jacob. I do not believe that is a coincidence. Our God, He plans this. Isaiah describe the knowledge that Tico, in fact, Tico they are far too superior for people to understand. We are all Tico has already seen what is meant to happen. It's the burning bush. A personal call comes. Moses is doing his ordinary job as a shepherd. Upis Vienus Impata Ka Kachantro. Go Moses Mazanabam Ukazuba, he had fled to Midian because of the past year. And unfortunately for Moses, akafani nathi eyakipasi yasiwangumntu. Some of us are kuzinto esizamuzibeka kwipasi yethu. Esizifihla ezingaziwa ngabantu. Kodwa uYehova uThixo uyazazi. And ithanda leli Thixo nangoke yazi ipasi yonke. It does not mean that you are not worthy for God to call you. Ngoba uThixo ufika kuMoses. Moses would take 40 years. And feel like the secret jacket, but God sees the spirit that I am going to use you. And either the Pantaleo of people is there, Utana Bonaman, Utana Tinamanda questionable characters, who call us things for us. uyakhonza okanye kwenzeka ntoni. UThixo akuthatha njalo asebenzise wena. UThixo ufika kuMoses, and Moses at this time, as I said, went to go to the refugees again. But UThixo, he uses a different call. If you sing about the Bible, you will know that there's different ways that God has called people. But this time, he uses a burning bush. And then Moses so I want to tell you this evening, that your personal call is not maybe Nalena is not for you, but your personal call, God knows that. Moses abone noba ingaba kwenzeka ntoni na kule bushithayo engadiphe. And I want to tell you this evening, nangoku esidelela ngakho Moses, that the things that you think are as the the things that you perceive to be your worst moments, I want to tell you now that in the God knows. UThixo wazi ukusuka ngohlala kwakho. UThixo kaloku wazi nenwele ezizaphethwa yakho. So I want to tell you this evening that there's no one who's too far to get the call from God. And tonight might be the night for you to heed the call to revival. Ipoint yesibini ihlale phansi. I-revival yakho Gilda yasekhaya. It will have to be costly. Ayizi cheap revival. Ngoba ndiva esondela uMoses athi uThixo uMoses, you have to remove your sandals. Ngoba bazalwana, when you are going to approach God, there's certain things that you need to let go of. I also want to do some uThixo, and you are going into the presence of God. You can't do that when it comes to God. There's things that often go shitty. And maybe because of your revival, you might not be ready to pay for it now. But I want to tell you, none of cost to take to Paul, for the excellence of knowing Christ, the things that I have amassed in this world, that's what was a good quality. That's what even though I had worked so hard for them, but for knowing Christ, there's certain things that you need to. It cannot go into the shaking and the presence of God. You have to be willing to let go of certain things. We can't be like that. It does when they enter a body of water. They enter and exit, suffer. When you're coming to revival, there's certain things that you don't share. There's certain things that you don't share. No Christ when he motivates us about having to let go of things. They need to leave everything. And they have to carry the cross and follow Christ. But you're not going to just carry the cross by yourself. If we are so Christ city, so you have to give up things, but do not worry. Even in giving up things, even in walking the tight line behind Christ, to be a slave. It's starting to say these seasons. It pushes in those categories. Go to Basanova, you take on Titangai, Dimasaba. You take on Titangai, Kukuta Sumakanti. I don't know Baba Makana about Abba, Will Abanom Khan, a distance that they've walked, but where they would see. The issue with the distance end is that Sinhamba Sam is Liba. Opa putting a time by one with Exodus. I think I went on each generation that Joseph and uyalibalela. Kodwa, even in our forgetfulness, God doesn't stop being faithful. Uthi uThixo beyithuma uMoses. Ndiyabuza ukuthi bana manje yekufaka bathi ngafika ngithini. Uthi undinguye ukuthumela. That says to me, Brother Dube, that